Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Hey and hello to all you creative beings over the whole world. Have I ever told you, when you raise your arms in the air, you can't get unhappy? Try it. It's such a great instrument from nature. It is a really gift for us. Do you know, when you are tolerant, when you have much acceptance, then you also are one of those lucky people who have not so many problems in life. Why is it like that? Tolerance means let go. Tolerance means, okay, I accept you as you are, and I accept how I am. This is like a friendship. Like a friendship between yourself, between you and humanity, between you and all people, between you and all creatures. Because with tolerance and acceptance, say in between the lines, I like you how you are. I don't want you to change. And this gives a lot of freedom, peace, and inner harmony. Think about this, dear friend, and observe yourself. And be gentle to yourself. Because you are a diamond. Lots of love to all of you.